he promised me, Tanya, I will save our home. And he promised me to save himself. Is he playing with children? We have a home, we were so happy. And now we don't know what will be tomorrow. My older daughter is crying when he said goodbye on the train. And all the train is crying, and I'm crying when we say goodbye to our husband, because we don't know if we will see it again or no. It's really that moment but he promised me, Tanya, I will save our home. And he promised me to save himself.
А що можна відчувати? Ви жили вдома, ви мали свій дім, ви мали все і їдете не знаючи куди. Тут просто жахливо. Ну, в мене залишилися батьки-пенсіонери, які просто не наважуються їхати.
Вона готує коктейлі Молотова.
Так. Вона взагалі сказала, що якщо буде бачити будь-який танк, будь-яку машину, вона буде виходити і чим зможе, той буде робити. Так буде захищати свою землю і так залишається там.
My husband, my father, he's still in Lviv. Because they want to protect our land, we don't want to give up. Of course, I'm scared about him, but I need to protect my babies. I need to do something, you know.